All right, today we have Logan Paul and KSI's new Prime Ice Pop, not sponsored by the way, and we got some actual Ice Pops here. So what we're gonna do is melt the Ice Pops into here and have a Prime in here. We're gonna mix it up and both taste it, and we're gonna have to guess which one is the Prime or the Ice Pop. Ice Pop Popsicles in there. You guys may be wondering, how am I gonna make them the same color? I'm gonna put a little bit of food coloring in both of them, right? So they will look exactly the same and you won't be able to taste or tell the difference. Melted, this is it. I'm gonna add like 4 more. I thought it would have been way more. Let's add like 4 more popsicles. All right, 2 more. These are the last ones. It was a box 14, but I think this would be enough because this is the actual Prime and I want the popsicles to be more. I want the popsicle juice to be more than what the actual Prime is. So they think, you know, just so they think. But here we go. All right, got my dad, Jason, here. So one of these is a popsicle and one of these is Prime. Now you're gonna try both of them and put whatever one you think is Prime, you're gonna put it right here on the Prime paper. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, which one are you gonna try first?
I don't know. That one looks kind of, I don't know. It looks, I don't know what would be the word for that.
You trying that one first?
Yeah, I guess I'll do this.
All right, take a good sip. Okay, put it down. Put it down.
This is crazy.
All right, next one.
Okay, all right, I got it.
All right, now I want you to tell me why you picked that one, and then after you told me, I will tell you if you are right or you're wrong.
Yeah, well, let me taste them again. It's pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, I've had these popsicles when I was young a lot, okay? That's pretty good, pretty sweet. Now I taste this one. That just tastes like a drink. So I can really tell that this is the popsicle and this is the Prime. Am I right?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1. You were right.
Ah, good.
What, was it much of a difference or no?
Oh no, I like this stuff.
You do? But do they kind of taste similar compared to
yeah, for sure, yeah.
the popsicle and the Prime?
Yeah.
Okay.
They taste really close.
Okay.
Really close.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So personally to me, I really do like the new Prime flavor. And I drink hydration drinks once or twice a day because after you run, after you work out, you have to stay hydrated. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe/follow. And new videos Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you haven't watched my new Tesla video, I will link it down below or it'll be at the end of this video so you can click it and go there. I love you all. See you guys next time. I love posting 2 to 3 times a week. I might even start posting 3 times a week. I love you all. Peace.